Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Want to take a few moments and show you a brand new trade-in that we just received. This is an awesome 2018 Everglades 253. It does come with the trailer. You can see in the beautiful white color, this boat is equipped with just about every option you can get. As we walk back here to the back of the stern, you'll see that it is equipped with a matching white power pole, as well as with the Yamaha 300 four-stroke engine, also in white, which is an option, and does have a jack plate. Boat is loaded, comes with trim tabs, it's got underwater lights. You know, the Everglades, it's an unsinkable boat. It's closed cell foam filled. What a wonderful boat. Let's climb aboard and let me show you the inside of the boat. Okay folks, here we are aboard this 2018 Everglades 253 model. We're here in the aft of the boat. You'll notice it's got nice bucket style seating for going out and coming back in when you're fishing. Now, to note, it also doubles as a nice, very nice casting platform if you're out in the shallows and you want to cast off the back. This right here is just an extra cooler. And I wanted to point out, look at your rigging station here, hang all your lures and whatnot. Nice deep live well. Notice there's handles here to hold on when you're riding out, okay? Plenty of rod holders in the gunnels. Up here on the hard top, there's rod holders. Notice up underneath the hard top here, place to store your life vest, so that way you don't have to store them down in the center console. As we move forward here to the helm, you'll notice that it's equipped with a nice Garmin GPS sonar bottom machine. Here's your Yamaha CL5 display that monitors your engine digitally. Has the Optimus steering that allows the steering to be very smooth, as well as your Garmin matching VHF radio. Here's your Fusion stereo located here. Notice the windshield's down right now, folks. You can power that windshield up and down right here, so that's nice. As we move forward here, you'll notice there's always somewhere to hold on to the boat. That's important. People don't think about that, but that's super important. As we look in the head here, notice it has a head down there, very usable, plenty of room. The original boat bags down there, all the manuals that come with the boat. Also, it's note to point out your Coleman bolster. So when you're fishing, you're not leaning up against fiberglass, you're actually leaning up against some cushion here, all right? And that's throughout the boat. Again, notice handrails to hold throughout the boat. When you come up here to the bow of the boat, you've got a huge cooler here to put your drinks and your sandwiches and whatnot. And down below here is your big fish box, okay? Plenty of seating here with backrest, and it does have a trolling motor. So folks, this boat is equipped with just about every option you can get on this boat. And what makes it even better, and most importantly, it's very accessibly priced. So it will be my pleasure to show you this boat. Again, my name's Kenny Brown with MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. It'll be my pleasure to show you this boat. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.